Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Prime Minister addresses global investors meet Invest Karnataka 2022 virtually. President Draupadi Murmu arrives in Kohima on a two-day visit to Nagaland. BJP will contest from all the 60 assembly seats, says State President Ernest Maury. And All Souls Day observed in Meghalaya to remember and pray for the departed souls. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that post-pandemic the world is looking at India, which offers investors a doorway to growth. Speaking virtually at the Invest Karnataka Global Investors Meet inaugural event in Bangalore today, the Prime Minister said that investing in India means investing in democracy and inclusiveness for a better, cleaner and safer planet. He added that central government has taken important decisions to rationalize laws, streamline rules and regulations. He said not only reforms, but the progress of New India in the infrastructure sector is unmatchable.
आप जानते हैं कि एक इन्वेस्टर मीडियम टर्म मिशन और लॉन्ग टर्म विजन के साथ आगे बढ़ता है और भारत के पास एक इंस्पिरेशनल लॉन्ग टर्म विजन भी है। नैनो यूरिया हो, हाइड्रोजन एनर्जी हो, ग्रीन एमोनिया हो, कोल गैसिफिकेशन हो या फिर स्पेस सैटेलाइट्स, आज भारत अपने विकास से विश्व के विकास के मंत्र के साथ आगे बढ़ रहा है। ये भारत का अमृत काल है। आजादी के अमृत महोत्सव पर देश की जनता नए भारत के निर्माण का संकल्प लेकर बढ़ रही है।
President Draupadi Murmu, who is on a two-day visit to Nagaland, has arrived in Kohima. On her arrival at Assam Rifles helipad, President Murmu was received by Assam and Nagaland Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi and Chief Minister Nephew Rio. In honor of her visit to the state, a civic reception for President Draupadi Murmu was held at Capital Cultural Hall, Kohima. On the occasion, President Murmu will also virtually inaugurate and lay the foundation stones of several developmental projects of Nagaland, which include newly constructed government schools, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sarak Yojana roads and others. BJP State President Ernest Maury informed the reporters that as many as 5 sitting legislators belonging to different political parties have expressed their keen interest to join Meghalaya BJP ahead of assembly elections. Meanwhile, Ernest Maury also expressed confidence that the party will win double digits in 2023. Optimistic about forming the government in the state BJP chief informed that the party will contest from all the 60 assembly seats and identified around 40 plus potential seats and candidates in all those seats.
We have 4 or 5 MLA from different party. They are going to join us. As you know, it is not the right time for them. I think by first week of December, the picture will be clear. But we are in touch with 5 MLA. They are very keen to join us, and they have already given the word that they are ready to join our party. So we are ready, almost in those constituencies which we have already identified, and we are very strong, and we will win the election in those constituencies.
BJP Mahila National President Vanathi Srinivasan, after meeting with the state BJP leaders and BJP Mahila Morcha, has requested the state unit of BJP to give more seats to women candidates. She said the party will work to develop women candidates not only for namesake. The women candidates should be there. They should be the performers. She also visited the office of BJP at Gladden Tower, Nongpo yesterday to interact with the party leaders and workers from Ribhoi district. While addressing the party workers, she assured that the central schemes for local farmers will be provided from the central schemes, as the BJP party is also concentrating to uplift farmers' economy through the agriculture sector.
Here in the coming election also, we are requesting the state unit to give more number of seats to the women candidates, but for which we have to develop the women candidates, and not only for the namesake the women candidates should be there, and really they should be the performers, and for which how we can help our office bearer. There are a lot of aspiring candidates also in Mahila Morcha team. We are helping them how to reach out to the people.
People in Shillong observed All Souls Day in memory of their loved ones who left this world and paid homage at Lightmore Catholic Cemetery. As mark of remembrance, relatives and friends offered prayers and decorated their cemetery with candles and flowers. Special masses offered prayers at the cemeteries for the departed souls. Meanwhile, in West Jaintia Hills District, All Souls Day was observed by Christian believers of St. Teresa Cathedral Church, Jowai Parish at Catholic Cemetery. The Holy Eucharistic Mass remembering the departed souls was also held at the Catholic Cemetery, Jowai. The long-pending demand of the people of the Tasku area in Ribhoi district for better healthcare facilities was fulfilled on Monday when the health sub-centre was officially inaugurated by the MLA of Jirang constituency, Sosthenes Sotun. The program was also attended by Jirang MDC Victor Rani, chairman of Sinjukki Shiphosh L. Lapang, headman, the doctor, nurses and local residents. In the T20 World Cup cricket match between India and Bangladesh at the Adelaide Oval, India won the match by 5 runs. So far, India have played 4 matches and won 3. Bangladesh have won 2 matches and lost 2. India is ahead of South Africa. And a quick look at the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 23.1 degrees Celsius, the minimum 13.5 degrees Celsius. The forecast: dry weather with shallow to moderate fog is very likely at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Prime Minister addresses global investors meet Invest Karnataka 2022 virtually. President Draupadi Murmu arrives in Kohima on a 2-day visit to Nagaland. BJP will contest from all the 60 assembly seats, says State President Ernest Maury. And All Souls Day observed in Meghalaya to remember and pray for the departed souls. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.